Here is the clutch basket. They have some decent grooves in it. Not, I guess, too bad, but it looks pretty bad. Let me think. The clutch is making a clicking noise. Like every time I pull the lever of the clutch, it's going click, 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 click. It's a 1999 kx250. On top of that, it sometimes gets stuck in gear, almost all the time, but I was able to get it to first and second gear. Took it for a short drive, maybe 100 yards, turned around, brought her back home. Then she was stuck in gear again. Can't shift to third, fourth. When I tried to shift from second to third, it hit false neutral. But I was looking. Maybe I could tip this over real quick. Sorry, bear with me. I was looking in here, trying to reach around. That's supposed to be first gear, second, and it's kind of locked. But that's supposed to be first. But there was a little bit of shavings in the case. I was wondering if that was from the clutch basket grooves. Not sure. I don't see any broken parts. I'm not that far into the motor yet. Any help can be appreciated. 1999 kx250. Not shifting out of second gear and getting stuck in gear sometimes can get it into neutral.